So I'll be showing you how to turn on game mode on your Samsung Smart TV. So what you need to do is go to settings, and on the settings panel, if you scroll, you may or may not see game mode. So currently, as you can see, it's turned off. So if you press the selection button, that's going to turn on game mode. And if you press it again, it's going to put game mode on auto, which means your TV will automatically enable game mode once it detects you've connected a console or a PC and you're trying to game. And then once you press again, it goes back to off. So to enable, just press that. Okay. Now, alternatively, you can go to all settings and then go to connection and then go to external device manager, or rather go to game mode settings under connection. So let's do that again. So all settings, connection, and then go to game mode settings. And this is where you can turn game mode on or off. So currently it's off. If you press the selection button on your remote, you have that little menu, and then you can put it on like that. There you go. So there is the game bar quick menu. All right. Now, once you enable game mode, if you go back to the settings, connection, game mode settings, with game mode on, you now have a few other options like a virtual aim point, which shows a virtual aim point on the center of the screen, game motion plus settings, and game HDR. All right. So you have all these other settings that come when or that are activated when you enable game mode. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.